Hello again. Here we have Giulietta. Doesn't matter which engine or which model, they're all the same. They all have the same loom coming from the car, going into the boot area. And the fault with this car, one of the faults with this car, is the rear windscreen washer doesn't work, the electric motor doesn't work. And the other fault with the car is the mileometer is flashing. So to reset the mileometer, I have to do the proxy alignment with the main body computer, but it won't reset because there's a fault in the rear tailgate. And we've repaired about 8 or 9 of these so far. I've stripped the loom out on the right hand side, and I found one wire, and I found the aerial wire broken, and on the left hand side loom I found another wire broken. The other problem that I've got is the copper cabling inside the black wires could be broken and the plastic could be intact. So what I have to do is I have to repair my broken wires, connect everything up, and then test everything again. And if I can't get the rear wiper to work, then I have to replace both rear looms, or one rear loom. The loom is around £75. This job is already costing the customer 3 to 4 hours, and to change the loom, as I said, the part is 75 plus VAT, and then I've got to charge more labour to change the loom. So I've got to do my repair, link everything up, see if I can reset it, and only time can tell. I'll speak to you later and tell you what happened in a few hours' time.